Maybe you're wondering what life is like in the Dominican Republic, and particularly on the North Coast in 2021. So I've put a few clips together filmed in summer of 2021. I just wanted to show you all how many people here, whether they are tourists or locals, just keep enjoying life despite the world scamdemic that they are running on us. So here we go, let's begin. Balneario El Chorro is a happening place on the Yasica River, especially during weekends. Here you can jump off the cliffs if you feel like it, have a freshly fried fish at a local restaurant, or soak in the water together with your family and friends. Cheers Restaurant and Bar has regular live music events, and here you can meet fellow expats and listen to your favorite tunes, or dance away with a bunch of excited gringos and locals.
Travel for yourself, my man, you know that you've seen this all before. Travel a little lion, man, you'll never settle any of your score. I took a walk around the world to ease my troubled mind. I left my body lying somewhere in the sand of time. I watched the world go to the dark side of the moon. I feel there's nothing I can do.
Take a long walk on Cabaretta Beach while staring at skilled kite surfers, or you can come across some neatly built sand sculptures. Everyone, Mr. T here at Playa Maganta. Very nice day. It's only about an hour and a bit down from Sosua Cabaretta, and you come to this nice beach, and there's all these little huts you can sit and have dinner at, and they have souvenirs they sell like conchs over here. So yeah, nice spot. Back down at Rancho Típico in Sosua. Tonight there's another fiesta on here. People are coming in, pulling up, having a good time here. So let's go in and say hello to everybody. Some very cheerful staff here. By the way, they've got a nice big pizza oven here. Lots of good singers come here. ladies have no shyness whatsoever. It packs up throughout the night here.
Losing you, baby, around my mind. No vision to plead, no song to sing. If it is death, you know the ordinary. Hey, let me go home. I'm just so far from where you are.
Lots of happy people. Good singer here. Rancho Típico, Pedro Clisantes de Sua, and Elias, super karaoke host. Sasua's cranking back up again. This is the place to go. A lot of good folks here.
Welcome to Renee.
Here we go. Típico. There's some crazy times going on here. It's all happening here. Woo! Rancho Típico, Pedro Clisantes de Sua. Never a dull moment. These girls over there are fantastic. Energy levels high. Rancho Montaña is tucked away in Veragua. This is a small town about 15 minutes drive past Cabareta. It's situated in a nice and peaceful place, and it's right by the river with a pool, and they also have their own restaurant and bar there and playground for the kids. You can also book a horseback riding trip or do motocross on their track behind the restaurant. So I highly suggest you try them out. Rugama Tours Ecological Park has been shown numerously in my videos. Now here, take a look at it from the air. Once again, it's a very tranquil place surrounded by nature. And recently they added a section with a pool, a especially enjoyed by the kids. Here you can also have a nice walk in their extensive fruit garden, or paddleboard along the Catalina River, watching all the wildlife. Or have a delicious Dominican meal in their jungle restaurant. Or take a riverboat trip with all its perks up the Catalina River, which meets the Yasica River, out to the ocean and back again. Goddess Beach Club and Restaurant along Cabarretas Beach. This is a great place to bring your friends. They have karaoke every Sunday with talented singers from all over the world, and lots of dancing to Dominican and international tunes. Nona's Grill is a new restaurant which recently opened in Sosua. It's a great experience and a way for you to hide away from all the hustle and bustle. It's located in a street just down the back of Supermercado Polo. And of course, the unbeatable Playa Sosua. Crystal clear water, fun water sports activities, beach vendors, and a line of various beach restaurants and bars and shops stretched along the tree-shaded part of the beach. is a sleepy cafe. Everybody catches up on their lost sleep in here.
Así, 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 así.